Hi there, I'm Claudette Hodge with MedTech TV. I'm here at the MedTech Summit in Brussels. Sitting here with me is Nicolas Perez. He's the account manager for Oxford Global Resources. Thanks for joining us today. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So, Nicolas, tell us a little bit more about Oxford Global Resources.
So Oxford Global Resources is a global consulting company. So we have 21 offices in the US, 2 in Europe, soon 3, one in Ireland, one in Switzerland where I am located. So I am located in Zug, close to Zurich, and we provide consultants and contractors across the pharmaceutical and the medical devices industry now. That's the reason I'm here in Brussels to attend to the MedTech conference, which the IVDR and MDR is a big topic nowadays.
So what other services do Oxford provide? I mean, how can they partner with medical device companies globally?
Exactly. So what we do, we provide project services and contractors. So as an example, is a director of regulatory or quality has a need about support from the MDR. We can support them from the scratch with a gap analysis and then helping them during the transition of the implementation of the new medical device regulation.
And then from your clients, what trends have you noticed within the market in general regarding the implementation of MDR?
That's a good question. Well, there is really big demand in regarding UDI, labeling, implementation of the MDR, updating of technical files, updating of CER, clinical evaluation reports. So it's all about that. PMS, post-market surveillance as well. So yeah, I mean, we can be like for maybe 20 minutes discussing about which skills, but that's really the important one now.
And what considerations do businesses need to keep in mind when building a team for their MDR or IVDR project?
Having the right team, no? Having the right resources to being able to support you from different section of the MDR, like having expert in CERs, having right people and talented people, leader. We can have a project manager, program manager, but as well person that they would be more focused on the medical writing, like clinical evaluation report or technical files.
And how can people get in touch with Oxford?
Now, I mean, you can just go into the website oxfordglobalresources.ch or in the EU website, which one is oxfordglobalresources.eu. You can also reach out through LinkedIn. We are in all social networks, so that's quite, I would say, easy to find us now.
Okay, thanks, Nicolas, and thanks for joining us. It's been great having you here.